These Amazon kitchen finds make cooking easier, faster, and way more satisfying. From smart gadgets to useful appliances, these products help save time, reduce mess, and upgrade your kitchen setup. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, the Kanban Manual Food Chopper, a quick and easy kitchen gadget that chops vegetables in seconds, helping you save time, reduce mess, make meal prep easier, get more even cuts, and keep your kitchen routine faster and more convenient. All products links are in the description below. At number 2, the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker, a smart and convenient appliance that lets you enjoy fresh homemade bread without all the hard work. Just add your ingredients, choose your settings, and it automatically mixes, kneads, and bakes for you. It saves time, gives you fresher bread than store-bought options, lets you control ingredients more easily, reduces effort in the kitchen, helps save money over time, fills your home with an amazing bakery-style aroma, and makes your daily routine feel easier, warmer, and more enjoyable. Number 3, the Cluopop Meat Chopper, a simple but super useful kitchen tool that helps break apart ground meat quickly and evenly while cooking. It saves time during meal prep, reduces hand effort, and helps you cook meat faster with more consistent results. The heat-resistant design is safe for non-stick cookware, easy to clean, and also works great for mixing sauces, mashing foods, and making your overall cooking routine quicker, cleaner, and more convenient. Number 4, the KOIOS 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender, a powerful multi-use kitchen tool that makes blending, whisking, chopping, and mixing much faster and easier. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, sauces, or baby food, it helps you prepare meals quickly with less mess and less effort. The compact handheld design saves counter space, the multiple attachments add extra convenience, and the easy-to-clean setup makes your daily cooking routine smoother, faster, and more efficient. Number 5, the KOIOS Espresso Machine, a sleek and powerful coffee maker that lets you enjoy rich, cafe-style espresso right at home. It delivers smooth, bold flavor in minutes, helping you start your mornings faster and more conveniently. It saves money on coffee shop runs, gives you more control over your drinks, and adds a modern, premium touch to your kitchen while making your daily coffee routine more enjoyable. All products links are in the description below. Number 6, the Moxinox Gold Mixing Bowls, a stylish and practical kitchen essential that makes mixing, prepping, and serving much easier. The durable stainless steel design is built for everyday use, while the elegant gold finish adds a premium look to your kitchen setup. These bowls are perfect for baking, meal prep, and food storage, helping you stay organized, reduce mess, and make your cooking routine more efficient and enjoyable. Number 7, the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, a powerful kitchen appliance that makes fresh homemade juice quick and easy. It helps extract juice from fruits and vegetables in seconds, giving you a healthier and fresher drink option anytime. The large feed chute reduces prep time, the powerful motor handles ingredients easily, and the simple design makes cleanup easier while helping you enjoy a healthier daily routine with less effort. Number 8, the Olivia Signature Oil Sprayer, a smart kitchen gadget that gives you a fine, even spray for cooking, roasting, grilling, and air frying. It helps control oil portions more accurately, making meals lighter and healthier while reducing waste and mess in the kitchen. The sleek design is easy to use, refill, and clean, helping make your cooking routine faster, cleaner, and more efficient every day. Number 9, the Chefman Dual Basket Air Fryer, a powerful kitchen appliance that lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time, making meal prep faster and more efficient. It uses little to no oil, helping you enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or crispiness. The dual basket design saves time, reduces cooking stress, and makes it easier to prepare full meals quickly while keeping your kitchen cleaner and more organized. Number 10, the Zully Kitchen 5-Blade Rotary Cheese Grater, a fast and easy way to grate cheese, vegetables, and more without the mess or effort of traditional grating. The rotary design lets you shred ingredients in seconds, saving time during meal prep while keeping your hands safe from sharp blades. It's easy to use, easy to clean, reduces kitchen mess, and makes cooking smoother, faster, and more convenient every day. All products links are in the description below. Number 11, the Blue Ginkgo Over-the-Sink Colander, a smart space-saving strainer that fits over your sink for easy washing and quick draining, helping you save counter space, reduce mess, and speed up your food prep. Number 12, the Chefman Electric Kettle, a fast and reliable way to boil water in minutes for tea, coffee, instant meals, or cooking needs. It heats up quickly, saving you time in your daily routine while offering automatic shut-off for safety and convenience. The large 1.8 L capacity is perfect for families, the cordless design makes pouring easy, and the sleek look adds a modern touch to your kitchen while making everyday tasks faster and more efficient. Number 13, the Smile Mom Vegetable Chopper, a compact kitchen tool that quickly chops vegetables and fruits in seconds, helping you save time, reduce mess, and make meal prep faster, easier, and more convenient every day. All products links are in the description below. Number 14, the Wacoy Divided Snack Serving Tray, a smart and stylish way to serve and organize snacks in separate sections. It keeps different foods neatly arranged, reduces mess, and makes serving guests or family more convenient. It's perfect for parties, movie nights, or everyday use, helping you stay organized while adding a clean and modern touch to your kitchen setup. Number 15, the Lord Life Electric Warming Tray, a convenient kitchen essential that keeps your food warm and ready to serve without needing to reheat again and again. It provides even heat distribution, making it perfect for parties, family meals, or busy days when everything needs to stay hot at the same time. It saves time, reduces hassle, and keeps your food fresh, warm, and enjoyable for longer. Number 16, the Pancake Batter Dispenser, a smart kitchen tool that lets you pour batter cleanly and accurately every time. It helps you make perfect pancakes, waffles, and cupcakes without spills or mess, saving time and keeping your kitchen clean. The easy squeeze handle gives you full control, making cooking more fun, consistent, and convenient for everyday use. Number 17, the Paulsway Glass Honey Dispenser, a clean and convenient way to pour honey without any mess or sticky spills. The easy press-release design lets you control the flow perfectly, making it simple to drizzle honey over tea, toast, or desserts. It keeps your kitchen cleaner, reduces waste, and adds a stylish, organized look to your countertop while making everyday use more smooth and efficient. Number 18, the JY Cookment Meat Tenderizer, a simple but powerful kitchen tool that helps make meat softer, juicier, and more flavorful in minutes. It breaks down tough fibers quickly, so your steaks, chicken, or other meats cook faster and taste better. It saves time in preparation, improves texture, and makes your cooking results more tender, delicious, and consistent every time. Number 19, the Joseph Spice Rack Organizer, a smart and compact solution that keeps all your spices neatly arranged and easy to access. The rotating or tiered design helps you quickly find what you need while cooking, saving time and reducing kitchen clutter. It improves organization, makes your cooking flow smoother, and gives your pantry a clean, modern, and efficient look. Number 20, the Conglass Glass Teapot, a stylish and heat-resistant teapot that lets you brew tea beautifully while watching it steep in real time. It keeps the flavor pure, is easy to clean, and works perfectly for loose leaf or herbal teas. It adds a modern, aesthetic touch to your kitchen while making your tea routine more relaxing, simple, and enjoyable every day. All products links are in the description below. Number 21, the Bella 4QT Slim Air Fryer, a compact air fryer that cooks crispy, delicious food with little to no oil, saving counter space, reducing cooking time, making meals healthier, cutting down on mess and cleanup, and giving you faster, easier cooking every day. Number 22, the Shoxel Pancake Batter Dispenser, a smart kitchen tool that lets you pour batter cleanly and evenly for perfect pancakes, waffles, and cupcakes every time. It helps reduce mess, gives you consistent portions, and makes cooking faster and more enjoyable. The Easy Squeeze design gives you full control, making your breakfast routine smoother, cleaner, and more fun. Number 23. The CCKO Glass Olive Oil Dispenser, a premium kitchen essential designed to give you complete control while pouring oil. The precision spout helps you avoid spills and overuse, making your cooking healthier by controlling portions more accurately. It keeps your countertop clean, reduces mess while cooking, and adds a modern, elegant look to your kitchen setup. It's durable, easy to refill, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday cooking, grilling, and meal prep. Number 24. The Solida Plate Gripper, a safe and easy kitchen tool that helps you lift hot plates from the microwave, oven, or air fryer, protecting your hands from burns, giving you a strong grip, and making everyday cooking safer and more convenient. Number 25. The Theo Paper Towel Holder, a strong and stylish kitchen essential that keeps your paper towels organized, easy to grab, and stable while you tear with one hand, helping reduce mess, save counter space, and keep your kitchen clean and efficient. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon finds like these.